If you guys haven't seen the news out of Canva about Affinity now being offered for free, literally no loophole, no like, oh, but free, but give us, your credit card just in case. No. Affinity is now free for everyone. You don't even need a paid Canva account for it. So how does this work? So obviously Canva now owns Affinity. They have for probably a year or 2 years, whatever. It's a relatively short amount of time. Well, they've both been separate entities. Now what they are clearly doing is using Affinity as a way to move people into Canva to get them to Canva Pro. Fine. As a pathway, though, they are offering now Affinity is going to be free. So I have been preaching on this channel for years about how I love Affinity Designer to create cut lines for Roland.
Like, I paid for it and I'm not even mad about it because it's a great program for what it is and how helpful it is with Roland. Okay, so this is what we've got here. You can see I've got all my Roland cut lines. It's literally just like once I bring my SVG or PNG in here, I just plop this little cut contour on there and it's done, and then I export as a PDF and go into VersaWorks. Well, now Canva, who owns Affinity, is making Affinity free. It's literally a game changer.
And it's never been more important than it has since VersaWorks 7 came out, because VersaWorks 7 came out and it's supported on a Mac, but Flexi Designer, which comes free with the Roland BN2-20A and BN2-30, is not supported on a Mac. So are you following me here? So what that means is you have to pay for some software, whether that's Illustrator or CorelDRAW or Affinity, to make cut lines. Obviously, cut lines are needed for Roland and VersaWorks. Now you don't have to buy a software. It is free. You can use it on both Mac and PC. It is not even on the a network is not even required after the initial download. So this is literally a game changer. What they've kind of done is take Affinity Designer, Affinity Photo, and kind of merge them all together. And now they're all just one downloadable software. So it looks a little bit different. There are a couple of different like menus and different things like that, but don't worry. It is all still there. All of my older videos on Affinity still work, but I'm going to update them as well so that we can go with what I'm going to just call free Affinity. All right, I'll meet you over at the computer and I'm going to show you how to get Affinity totally free.
And you might be wondering, because I was, do I have to have an Affinity like Pro or business account? Which I do, but you don't. You don't need anything special. It's literally free. Like there's no like loophole here, or this is not like clickbait or anything like that. It's literally free. So all you have to do, it does say you have to sign up to download. To download Affinity, sign in with your Canva account or create a free one. So you can have a free Canva account and get Affinity for free. So what they're obviously doing is they are going to have more features in Affinity, like their AI, that is going to be available if you have a higher priced Canva plan, but you will be able to use Affinity otherwise completely for free. I mean, look at this. It's going to have the full features of the tools, all of this editing, photos, different things, vectorize. I'm really interested in the vector because right now I vectorize, or what we call trace, in Silhouette Studio, and then I pull it into Affinity to add it. So I'm interested to see like what's going to happen otherwise. But look at this. This is crazy. So the only things that you won't be getting are the Canva AI, which is down here. Everything else you will be getting, even with free, if you don't even have a Canva account. It being free, I mean, I don't know how much better you can get from there. So I have a whole playlist. We'll start with how to add the cut lines, the color profiles for Roland to Affinity, and I'll meet you guys over there.